What's going on, y'all? Today we doing some chicken, some air fried chicken to be exact, y'all. And it's gonna be so good. So first thing we want to do is brine our chicken in a pickle brine. That's gonna bring that moisture and that juiciness to that chicken. And we gonna let that brine in that juice for at least 2 hours. And if you can go a little bit longer, that's even better. But anyway, after we get done brining, we gonna go ahead and rain on, hit them with that salt, and of course, some of my seasoning blend. Now, if you want the recipe, just hit me up. I'll give it to you. But you can use seasoning oil or any kind of Cajun seasoning that you like. Give it a dip in that flour, and we gonna set our air fryer up at 425 for 50 minutes, and we gonna hit this with some olive oil on top. After 25 minutes, give it a check and a flip and hit it with some more olive oil, y'all. After our 50 minutes are up, look what we got, y'all. But check your temp. You might have to come out a little earlier, a little later. But I had mine with some gravy and some mashed potatoes. And guess what? It was fire, y'all. It was fire. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.